Tamaiti!
Talofa Tamaiti, welcome back to episode 2 of
Pesepesega Tamaiti!
I hope you're ready for more singing and dancing and reading too. Our first song is going to be about the 9 stars of Matariki. So come on Tamariki, EP2, and let's go!
Waiti waita waipuna rangi tupua nuku tupua rangi ururani boutakawa hiwaite rangi and matariki. Waiti waita waipuna rangi tupua nuku tupua rangi ururani boutakawa hiwaite rangi and matariki. Kawa hiwaite rangi and matariki and matariki.
Oh wow guys, you sure can dance! Okay Tamaiti, let's find a comfortable spot and sit down and listen to today's story. This book is called Camilla the Cupcake Fairy. Camilla the Cupcake Fairy. On Camilla's 5th birthday, the Pink Fairy Post sent to Camilla what she dreamed of most. Not a hat or a doll or a plant in a pot or anything else she'd already got. She tore off the paper and giggled with glee. "What a wand!" cried Camilla, "and meant just for me." It was so very shiny and sparkly and new, her very first wand, but what could it do? If she waved it carefully and closed her eyes tight, could she wish for a party with dancing all night? Or if she sat nicely, not making a noise, would it make her bed neatly and put away toys? Or would it put on a show with a dancing dog, cats and singing frogs? The answer was no, but what it would make, Camilla was told, was frosting for cake. So she found a plain cupcake, which she placed by her feet, her wand at the ready to make a pink treat. And holding the wand, Camilla stood straight. She took a deep breath, but she just could not wait. She waved it so fast, the wand wouldn't stop, whirling and twirling and flashing on top. It jumped and it jerked with a rattle and a shake. It jiggled and juddered till she thought it would break. Then with a bang, bright stars filled the air. She looked for sweet frosting, but the cupcake was bare. And there on the top, not making a sound, was a tiny white mouse with eyes bright and round. So she started again, this time taking care to wave the wand gently, but look what was there, covering the cake where the frosting should be. Mashed potato was all she could see. So she tried one more wave, not too fast or too slow. Now topping the cake, there was nothing but snow. Well, snowballs and snowmen. She didn't much mind, but this fancy frosting was the wrong kind. Oh dear, thought Camilla. This just isn't right. My wand is not working. I'll be here all night. But then when it seemed she was down on her luck, Mrs. Sprinkles drove by in her pink fairy truck. Camilla asked nicely, "What should I do?" Her teacher said kindly, "I'll give you a clue. Working alone is never much fun, but with help from your friends, the job is soon done." So she called her friends on her pink fairy phone. Molly and Maya were glad to be home. Said Molly to Maya, "Our friends in a state. Let's fly to Camilla. This problem won't wait." They held the wand steady with eyes closed tight, and they worked hard together. It shone a bright light. Then crossing their fingers in a shower of gold twinkles, they all wished together for frosting and sprinkles. All of a sudden, the fairy friends found the tastiest treat. Just there on the ground was sparkling sprinkles and frosting so sweet. The best ever cupcake was right at their feet. So the wand could work wonders, but nothing compared to the gift of true friendship the three fairies shared. The end. Wow, great story. I hope you enjoyed it, my friends. Okay, who's ready for another song? This song is about the beautiful flowers of Samoa. It's called Le'aute. Enjoy! Great singing, Tamariki. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you tomorrow.
Pesepesega,